we're going to knock up a great outdoor kitchen. And because this decking material is built for the elements, it makes a great base material. And we're going to use 3 types of timber: natural pine decking for the legs, machine graded pine to help reinforce the frame. It makes a great steady foundation for our barbecue, and merbau timber for the top and the shelf. Now we're going to glue and screw these things together so we can make nice strong legs for the bench. Okay, now let's get measuring and cutting so I can show you how it all comes together. For the legs, we're using long edge pieces to make good strong corners for the bench. Less timber with greater strength. Now that we've got a nice sturdy frame, it's time to put some merbau down on the bottom shelf. So we've got somewhere to put the gas bottle and all your bits and pieces. Be sure to notch out your first and your last board so it fits nicely around the edges. Cut your top slightly oversized, then a nice trim cut for a very clean and tidy edge. So there you go, here's your barbecue bench. And if you like what I've done, you can add casters as well as a handle, so you've got somewhere to hook your tongs while you're cooking. So get into your local Mitre 10 to get into it.